I'm at Japan restaurant. This is Saturday. This is Sapporo. Yeah, we're gonna eat sushi today. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Sunday, cheers. Japan restaurant today. This is a miso soup. Healthy, you guys, eat Asian foods, very healthy, stay longer life. And the salads and eat salmon fish is good for vitamin E, like good for you, and they stay longer. That's what they say. And number one is whole grain rice right here. You want to stay longer, eat rice and fish. All right. Okay, let's dig in. Miso soup, guys. Very healthy miso soup. Have seaweed, have tofu. Yep, so good. And rice. Stay longer life. Eat rice. Okay, guys, eat rice. And miso soup.
Jaden don't have a phone. That's what Anthony said.
Oh yeah, sashimi deluxe.
Yum.
Yum. You guys, if you wanna eat raw fish, you're gonna come here. Urago, okay? They professional prepare the food and here not expensive. This cost you like I don't know how much, so anything about 20, about 30, $20, very cheap. Look at that, guy. If you go somewhere else, you don't believe it. So a little small and very expensive, okay? You come on here and we have a good time. That's spicy. What is it called? The spicy right here. Sean, what is it right here? Forgot. Wasabi right here, spicy, and ginger, pickle, and salmon fish, and I don't know what fish it says. All the good fish, and this is like salmon fish, the stomach bottom, and this is squid, octopus. This is the butter fish. This is like a very good fish. I don't know what fish, clear. This is like a tuna. This is like a salmon fish, the fat one. This is how the benefit. And when you eat sashimi, don't forget about fly, thin lemon, okay? That one gonna be the sesame. That's a good one, okay? Fly, thin lemon. It comes in with pickled ginger and what they call condai. Red berries right here is so good, okay? Oh, one more thing. This is squid. This is squid. This is no more, even more. Look at that. That's tuna, butterfish. You need add more for this one. You need more this one. The salmon fish head right here is so good. Okay, it's just a benefit. I don't know if you guys know how to eat this. If you know to eat this, the eyes is the best one. You might look scary, but believe in me, if you want benefits, that's all this here on the head right here. Oh, it's yummy. That's my favorite part right there. You don't believe there's a lot of meat in the cheek right here. There's a lot of meat right here. It's so good. This is the best way to eat salmon fish, okay? Okay, first piece I'm gonna eat gonna be octopus right here. Octopus dipping with wasabi salt right here, guys. Right here. Yum and spicy. And right here, vegetable right here. I love to eat with this soup right here. The first one I'm gonna eat can be salmon. The salmon right here. I'm tapping with the lamb right here. Okay, guys, you know how to eat this. You're gonna tapping with this one, okay? Just like that. Eat just like that. All the vegetable right here and the fish. I eat all of this. Don't wasting. Just dip everything. Eat it just like that. Okay, this benefit right here. Okay. be scared. Be sure you eat the eyeball of the fish. Okay, don't be scared. If you eat the fish, you have to eat the eyeball. That's the best part to eat it. So that's the way it is. When you eat fish, look at that. This is salmon fish head, guys. You don't believe this is all the benefit. That's how you want to eat salmon fish, right? There's a lot of oil and good fat right here. Love it. Forgot about this is clam right here. The clam, guys. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. Let's eat the clam. Only time you go to Bahamas, you can eat this kind of clam. But here you can eat too in Japan restaurant. Yum. Another one, I'm gonna go ahead and eat with the pickle, ginger pickle. Right here. Oh yeah, ginger pickle right here. The fish, that's the white wine for you right here. Okay. White wine. Okay, now I'm gonna take this piece right here. Right here. Clear and clean. Good to eat fish. Okay, this is salmon stomach oil. Like that. Yum. And good benefit right here. Yum. Okay. Let's have this one. Oh yeah, this one right here. This is the last piece. Benefits. Hi guys, this is Seshimi is very good. So the toes up, thumbs up. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. I see you later. Okay.